Whoa, dude. Hey, you okay?
Yes.
Huh?
I'm amazing. Great.
Okay.
You are Steve. Hi. Nice to meet you, Steve. Hi, Steve.
Catherine, what a nice surprise.
Oh, Connie. Good to see you. Great. Oh, Maggie. Oh, God, your hair's so long. Cool, you're all here. That's cool. How was the drive?
Oh, we managed to shave off about 30 minutes taking the back roads.
Nice.
Grandma was asking for you at the wedding.
Oh, congratulations, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't make it. I had things in the works. I just couldn't get away.
Well, you're here now.
It looks like you had a real rager.
Oh, Connie, please don't clean up. I'll promise I'll get everything. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
I had to away from the city, clear my head a little bit, you know.
Well, this'll do it.
What are you doing here?
Family bonding.
Love it.
Yeah. Thank God you're here.
Shit.
Kate? Are you okay?
Yeah, I was trying to make dinner and fucked it up.
Okay. You're not fine. You're bleeding. Kate.
I'm not a bad person. It went downhill so fast. And I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
Okay. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here. Come on. Okay. Sit. Here, drink this, okay? My dad, your grandfather, God rest his soul, was an asshole. A lot like my brother, your dad. Drink your water. Did you know that he left too? Of course, he came back and we carried on like nothing had happened. This is gonna sting a little. I left as soon as I could. I waited tables in the East Village to afford a room the size of a closet. And then a few years later, your uncle came along. And then, you know, he left too. How old are you?
27?
27 is young.
I feel ancient.
You know, if you ever need help, you can always ask. Money or anything.
Thank you.
I'm not going to pretend to know exactly what you're going through, but I know what it's like to want to do it on your own. What was it Grandma always used to say?
Life's a bitch, then you die.
No, the other one.
Love many, trust few. Always paddle your own canoe.
That's it.